So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Planner for projects. So the first thing you want to do is once you head on over to Microsoft Planner, so you can see it through here, you can see my day, tasks, plans, portfolios pinned, and you can see the option new plan. So if you click on this, you can see a plan or a portfolio, so you can create either one of those, but let's just click on this button. From there, you can see basic and premium. If you click on premium, it's going to give you some options if you have a premium subscription. From here, you can see a simple plan or a project management, software development, sprint planning, employee onboarding, commercial construction, marketing campaign. So if you go to project management, you can see here how this plan is going to help you with your project. So through here, you can see how it will look. So initiating, planning, executing. So you can use the template they give you for project management. So let's just use that to create it, and then we'll just see it how it will help with projects. So you can see there's a lot more stuff than usual. So through initiating, so you can add a task and then divide it by color. So identify goals and objectives, define the primary objective, define the primary goals, develop strategies and plans, then planning. So you can specify deliverables and acceptance criteria. And then for executing and reviewing the progress that's made in these two previous phases, then you can assign responsibilities as well as monitoring and controlling. So you can add more stuff to that as well. So you can just keep on scrolling if you hold on the mouse, and you can even add a new bucket. This is just a template, so it will give you some options so you can manage your project better. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.